The soul, the higher soul is just energy with consciousness. उसका कोई ना आकार है ना कुछ है, सिर्फ एक चेतना है. Do not think of the soul as being only in one place at a time. The soul is everywhere like light. It can be here and there and all everywhere at the same time. Listen to me. That is why in the story of Lord Krishna, Krishna would be available to all the gopis at the same time because his soul, which was infinite light, had the ability to even manifest in the physical form in many, many areas. वैसे तो हम सब का आत्मा भी जितना दूरी तक पहुंच सकता है, जितनी उसकी रेडिएटरी फील्ड है, जितनी उसकी उन्नति है, how much the soul has developed, that much distance it can actually radiate to. How much the soul has actually developed means how much greater energy the soul possesses, the higher soul. Remember, the higher soul is also increasing in its understanding, in its energy. It is also increasing light, right? It is increasing in light with the increasing experiences with being one with the Paramatma. तो ये ऊर्जा भी दूर दूर तक फैल सकता है. It is not omnipotent, it is not omniscient. आत्मा पूरे दुनिया में नहीं पहुंच सकता है. कितना पहुंच सकता है? जितना उन्नति आपके आत्मा का हुआ है, जितना दूरी तक पहुंच सकता है उतना दूरी तक पहुंच सकता है. Certain souls can encompass maybe 1 kilometer radius, maybe 5 kilometers radius. It depends. The soul is energy with consciousness. And do not think of the soul as being only in one place at a time. The soul is everywhere because it is like light. It is constantly radiating everywhere. It can be here and there at the same time. And सुनिए. जो लाइट यहाँ पे है और जो लाइट दूर में है, वो दोनों लाइट तो लाइट ही है ना भाई. हाँ, जैसे आप रोड पे चल रहे हो, सूरज की रोशनी जो रोड पे 1 किलोमीटर पहले मिली और अभी मिल रही है, सूरज ने तो कोई भेदभाव तो नहीं किया ना. The sun is not intending to give less light to 1 kilometer before your house and more light to your house. Nothing like that. The light is the same everywhere. Are you understanding the point? Light, when it radiates, it is light. Everywhere it is available to the same quality and quantity. Your soul is inside and outside of your body at the same time. और ये आत्मा की ऊर्जा आपके शरीरों के अंदर भी है और बाहर भी है. Integrity or wholeness is based on the connectedness with the higher soul. Okay, listen to me. Yes, you know, many companies talk about integrity. You know that? Loyalty, integrity. Yes, companies का वो जो memorandum जो भी वो होता है, what is it, whatever, they have a, yes, anyway, integrity. हाँ, integrity. What does they say? Integrity to the company. कि कंपनी के साथ कोई गद्दारी ना करे, कुछ गलत मतलब सही इंफॉर्मेशन गलत तरीके से लीक ना कर दें. So they say loyalty and integrity to the company. You see, integrity is an aspect of the soul. The mind will have its vrittis, but the greater the soul energy controlling the mind, the greater will be the integrity of the person. How can you ensure a person will go on the righteous path, will be loyal, will maintain integrity? हाँ, इंटेग्रिटी का हिंदी पता नहीं क्या है शब्दकोश. ओके, सो लॉयल्टी तो विश्वसनीय बनता है. सो इंटेग्रिटी ओके, इंटेग्रिटी मीनिंग अखंडता. Okay, or you can say Satya Nishtha or something like that, to maintain righteousness, honesty. Okay. Yes, to maintain non-destruction. Yes, to keep the integrity. So integrity is an aspect of the soul. So actually, the whole business scenario in the world will actually become better if people will imbibe integrity. Yes, if people will imbibe integrity. It is a requirement of the time to come that we are able to channelize spiritual teachings into the corporate world, into the businesses, the way the businesses are being conducted, the way the people channelize their life, everything has to be changed. Integrity is the most important concept which will come into light. And integrity is only possible if there is a strong soul connection which regulates your mind and your emotions. Yes, integrity is only possible when there is a strong soul connection which regulates your mind and emotions.